again! Today we will be making a cassava cake. So the cassava is actually from our garden. We harvested it yesterday. And of course, this is already prepared. As you can see, this is already ready, so it will be faster. So what we have here is all-purpose cream, and this is a mixture of Kreamdensada. So it's a condensed milk plus evaporated milk. And we have the cheese, Gouda cheese, and 2 eggs. So all we need to do is just pour one. We don't actually finish it. We have to keep a little bit for the custard topping. So just a little bit. So just mix, just whisk all the wet ingredients. You know the eggs? This one is from our chicken coop. It's from our chicken coop. The cheese, generous amount of cheese. This is Gouda cheese. Let's try this. It's good. It's not so sweet. It's just perfect. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.